In Microsoft Word, if you want to make one page only landscape, how to do that? If you do it normally, see here, I want to turn this page, that is the second page, to landscape. So how to do that? So if I go to layout and directly click here on orientation, landscape, see both, that means all the pages are going landscape, but I don't want all pages landscape. I just want only the second page, this page, landscape. So what to do now? So for this, first I will undo it. Okay, so I'll go to the first page, that is the page before the page you want to make landscape, and here you will add breaks, that is next page. So go to the layout, breaks, and next page. So it will add a page break, that is a new section. And once you do that, now you change the orientation of the page to landscape. Now see, only this page is landscape but not this. I will zoom it out so that you can see it. Okay, so there was one more page below that, and that also turned landscape. Now what if you don't want that landscape? Simply you have to add here now section break. So breaks, next page, and since you want to make this portrait, so I'll click on that page, and after that portrait. Okay, so only second page is landscape now. I hope this video helps you. See you in the next video.